what we are going to do here, we are going to have one experiment on redox reactions, and which is a very well known redox reaction, that is the potassium permanganate. It's changing the oxidation state in presence of a reducing agent, right? Now see, potassium permanganate is generally having color violet, and where the manganese is having +7 oxidation state. Okay, let's see. In this experiment, as oxidizing agent we are using the potassium permanganate, and as a reducing agent we will be using the more salt, okay, which is nothing but the ammonium iron 2 sulfate salt, where the iron is present in the +2 oxidation state. So in these steps you will be observe some very interesting observation. Okay, let's start them stepwise. First, what I will do, I will take a few amount of potassium permanganate in a conical flask. You can see a very small amount I am taking here. Okay, and I am adding water. You can see the color of the solution is violet, which is the standard color of potassium permanganate, right? Now, in order to catalyze this reaction, that where the manganese KMnO4 will change its oxidation state and it will change its color, this we will do first in acid medium. Okay, let's see. So, in order to do that, we have to add sulfuric acid solution. Okay, so we will take a test tube, and in this test tube we will measure this amount is enough. This is approximately 10 ml. Sulfuric acid is added. Now we will prepare the reducing agent, that is more salt. Let's add some amount of water and see, it's a clear solution. Now see, now I will add the more salt in this solution and I will shake. Small amount I will add and I will shake. Small amount added and shake it. No color change. No color change. See, the color has been changed. Okay, and more. See, slowly the color is getting faded and it's a kind of a yellowish or greenish color. Okay, now see here, in this case the oxidation state of manganese is in +2. Okay, is in +2. That means what we can say, the more salt has completely reduced. The more salt has completely reduced the KMnO4 minus. Now exactly what is happening we will see in next.
See, what we saw there, that in presence of more salt, the KMnO4 changes color. But actually what is happening, let's see that. Now that actually, particularly one reaction, which is nothing but showing the oxidation property of the KMnO4. Okay, and here the part which is basically activating the reaction, that is AmNO4 minus. Now if you see here minutely, what is happening in AmNO4 minus, the manganese is in 7+ oxidation state, right? Now in the 7+ oxidation state, this acts as a very strong oxidizing agent. Okay, and now after, once we add Fe2+, that is in the more salt in acid medium, it actually, this Fe2+ gets converted into Fe3+. Okay, now during this, how many electron is changing? From Fe2+ to Fe3+, it is changing 1 electron. Okay, whereas this AmNO4 minus, what we saw, which was the violet in color, slowly while adding the more salt, it changes the color, to the fade color. Okay, fade and yellow color, and which is basically nothing but the color of manganese 2+. Okay, now see here, what we will say, that it is pale in color. Right? Now see, in this particular reaction, this is not a balanced state. Okay, this is not a balanced reaction, right? So in order to balance this, what we have to do, if you see here very carefully, the MnO4 minus has changed its oxidation state from 7 plus to 2 plus. That is your 5 electron change, right? Now see what we can say, that we can say that one molecule of MnO4 oxidizes 5 molecules of Fe2 plus. Okay, so if I want to write the balance reaction, what I will write here, we will here multiply by the 5. Okay, we will here multiply by 5 and here I will multiply by 1. Okay, now let's add to the balance reaction. So MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus, what it is giving you, 5 Fe3 plus plus Mn2 plus. Correct. Now what we will add here, now since the medium is acid medium, first we will balance the oxygen. Now if you see here very carefully, in this reaction there is 4 oxygen in the left hand side and literally there is no oxygen in the right hand side. So what I will do here, I will add 4 water molecules here. So my oxygen is balanced, and in order to balance the hydrogen and the reaction is in acid medium, we have to add 4 to the 8, so 8 H plus in the right hand side. So this is basically the complete balanced reaction which we just saw experimentally, where the MnO4 minus is changing the color from violet to a pale color in presence of more salt, that is Fe2 plus, and is changing the oxidation state from 7 plus to your 2 plus. Right? Now, so fine. So this is what will give you an idea about the how MnO4 minus behaves in acid medium. Thank you.